Every day, Jamaica makes headlines. From breaking news and crime updates to politics, business, entertainment, sports, and stories that shape our nation. Jamaica News Now brings you timely, factual, and engaging coverage from every corner of the island. Whether it's a developing story, an exclusive report, or our weekly news roundup, we'll keep you informed wherever you are in the world. If you're in Jamaica or part of the Jamaican diaspora, this is your connection to home. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your island, your news, right now.